Looks like they're getting ready for some Halloween parties tonight. Forgetting it's Halloween. They do like it out here in Barcelona. It's like a cool bar. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, I was saying earlier, there's so many bars in Sant Boi. If you feel like a bit of a different bar crawl or a night out, yeah, I would give it a go. Instead of going into the centre or Gracia or was it Elborn. Nothing wrong with those, I'm just saying if you feel like doing something a bit more unique, give it a go. It might be just boring, or it could be very interesting. I find when you go to these sort of places you meet more of the local characters that populate the city. Oh, should we go up here? Actually, why am I talking to you if you're sleeping? Oh, I hope it's not a dead end. See, we're not there yet, Hugo. Aha, I see the old church. I saw the top of it. We will finish our little day out in Sant Boi there, because it's probably the most scenic part of the town. Apart from that hilltop, the park we were at. That was pretty nice. I feel like I've done a weird little circle, let's see. Or a weird square. Yeah, let's go right. Oh. Actually, you go down that one, it's a bit more pedestrian. Now he's going to ask for more. I shouldn't have done that. Oh, Hugo, I've been walking a lot, man. Oh. What's this mirror about? That's very interesting, that the statue in the mirror. Wish I knew. Oh, look at the lady hanging laundry up out there. Huh? We've done a circle, we've been here before.